The creation of a vagina. 7 wise men with knowledge so fine created a pussy to their design. First was a butcher, smart with wit, using a knife he gave it a slit. Second was a carpenter, strong and bold, with a hammer and chisel he gave it a hole. Third was a tailor, tall and thin, by using red velvet he lined it within. Fourth was a hunter, short and stout, with a piece of fox fur he lined it without. Fifth was a fisherman, nasty as hell, he threw in a fish and gave it a smell. Sixth was a preacher, whose name was McGee, he touched it and blessed it and said it could pee. Last came the sailor, a dirty little runt, he sucked it and f***ed it and called it a cunt.